Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I've got to hurry, it's about to rain. 70% chance of rain, and there's already those breezes blowing. That happens just minutes before it starts raining. But I just had this idea. Here is that Crepe Myrtle standby fireboard that we used just 2 videos back. And when I split it and cut it, I told you what a great density this was, and I used my fingernail on it. This would be great for hand drill also. Let me show you. Now, I don't want all that thickness, but I'm not going to make this fireboard any thinner. I think I'm going to keep this for a bow drill, but let's try this hand drill on it. Oh, when you're using sort of the end grain for hand drill or bow drill, your spindle is definitely going to work its way to the front. It's like on a slide or something. So have your divot inset more than usual. Let's see if we can get some smoke rolling now. Man, I got to fill that up with a lot of dust. Let me try to get some pine needles dust in there so I won't have to work so hard to fill up that notch. That ought to help it out a little bit. Let's try that. Now that it's raining. Take these glasses off. Need to make a little space. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. Now I've got to show you the divots. That is about as thick a fireboard as I've ever used. We made it work though. Look at where I filled it up with the pine needles. It didn't get burnt at all.